My last day at this location at the store, but I'm gonna go ahead and take some time ahead and clean the BRZ. Sun bright in my eye, but I went ahead and started on some pieces already, like this front piece right here, and this little like a fuse box right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean the rest of this dusty engine bay.
Don't allow the AC to blow through. But yeah, I've got the time lapse for the rest of the part right here, so don't get too bored of me. Mars.
And that's the engine bay right there, guys. I just use water and just dust it off the most majority of the plastic and stuff, and just clean it up. It was pretty dusty, so yeah. What up, YouTube? Almost forgot to add on. We're adding on a new air filter. It's been on 30 miles and it hadn't been changed out once, so we're gonna go ahead and change this out real quick. So, ding. All right, and make sure you don't forget to put on your gloves, because the engine bay may or may not be a little dusty or dirty, so you don't want the dust and grime getting on your hands as well. So, PPE. Make sure you have the PPE on deck. So we're gonna go ahead and use this Wix box right here. We're gonna go ahead and open it up. So let's see what's right here. Small air filter, brand new. Let's see. It's going basis off my old knowledge of working at Jiffy Lube. This looks like it's the air box right here. It looks like connected to the intake, which goes into the engine right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and just pop these two notches off like so. Boom, boom. It should loosen this thing up like bam. It can allow us to gain access to the filter. The filter right over here. Just gotta raise this wall just like a little up, and you got access to it right here. And let me go put the camera down so I can get a better angle on. This is the intake right here, intake box right here. Let me go ahead and move this little plastic piece out the way first, and then just get it slide out like this. You gotta make sure they're equal one. Yep. Let me take this one out. So this is the stock OEM one that came from factory. Let's see. It looks like it says here, you got a little dust coming up, little pieces of like little leaves and stuff. You don't want that going in your engine bay at all. So I'm gonna go ahead and match this here to the same product. They look like they're the same size, so they would fit. So let me go ahead and just slide this back in there. This is the new one. So I'm gonna go ahead and slide this in. Let me go ahead and just remove all the little dusting off the thing. You don't want no dust going in there at all. Clean it up a little bit. And then I'm gonna go ahead and slide this in. It's a little wiggle action. Literally wiggle action, for real. Okay, let's see. Right here, okay, it goes down. Down. This is my first time changing this on this BRZ, but it looks like it's going on pretty good though. Equally match this. Match the notches on the bottom side of this piece. Okay, hold the line up, just gotta snap it in. Alright. on there. Just double checking all the gaps and seals on there. Sure. Perfect. It's on there. Your new air filter is installed. And that's it, guys. That's the video right there. That's how you change out your air engine filter in your 2022 or second gen BRZ. And then this is a little vlog of me just cleaning up my little interior, the whole engine bay and stuff. So see you guys in the next video. Peace out.